Hey guys, Benji here with Hiking with the Buseys. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a footprint for your tent the easy way. Today I'm going to be using my Klosnacher tent right here, and I have tyvek. It's really loud. Listen to this. I'll show you how to make it quiet after the video once it's done. So I'm just going to leave this on. I'll speed it up as I do this and slow it down as need be. So let's go. First I'm going to lay out my tyvek on the ground. Easy enough. I'm gonna put my tent on top of it. There we go. Now all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your handy dandy scissors. You're gonna cut out around the tent. Use your tent as like a stencil. Just go all around it. Don't cut your tent. And I would even, like if your tent's here, I would put the ground cloth just a little bit inside. So it's okay if your ground cloth or your footprint is a little bit smaller than the outside of your tent. And there you have it. Let's go look at it. All right, that was easy, wasn't it? Just cut off the, use our tent as a stencil, cut off the remaining tyvek on the outside, and we're done. It doesn't take a very long time to be able to do this. Some people on here on YouTube will try to make it seem like it's more complicated than it is, but it's not. You're basically just trying to use the tyvek to keep water from the ground or from rain from going up into your tent. And so let's see it here. Down here, here's our tyvek. It just goes under the tent. You don't want it to be sticking out from the tent like like this, because then if rain gets on it, it's going to go under your tent, and then your tent is going to eventually get water in it from soaking up through the tyvek that's down there. So you want all rain to go hit the ground and then go under the tyvek, which will keep you nice and dry inside your tent. The tyvek is very loud, which is not great, but there's a simple solution for that. I'll show you right now. All right, I'm back with that simple trick to make this tyvek quiet. Want to see it? Here we go. Super easy. You just put it in the washing machine. Let's see how it works. It's loud. On, running. Let's just see when it comes out. All right, washing machine is done. Let's see how it is. Still wet, but much quieter. Not bad at all. If it's still a little too loud for you, you could throw it in again. This will do just fine. Then you want to air dry it. Don't put it in the dryer.